four-wheel tractor, but due to price didn't sell in the numbers that the Fortune did. But we have a nice 65 there with a Victor Stormguard cab, I think it has on it, with what looks like a sailor's tooth reply on the back and a first prize hanging on the cab door. And then in 1964, Massey Ferguson launched their worldwide range of tractors, the Red Giants, and the 135 was the one that sold in the biggest numbers. No surprise that the 135 is here in very, very strong numbers today. Stephen Eccles leads off with his 135, followed by Charlie Watson with his. Eb Elder's next in the 135 in the Secura cab in nice original off-road condition, as is the one following, which is fitted with a timber winch, I think, on the back. And then in total contrast, we have Ivy Smart with a fantastic store 1970 example. In 1976, we have Ross Beeve with one that started at the end of the production. And the next size up from the 135 was the 165. Dave Muirhead from Lucknow has a very unusual 165. It's a four-wheel drive version. And at that point in time, Massey Ferguson didn't build four-wheel drive tractors, and this one has the four-wheel traction of London four-wheel drive unit, which was a modification of the Cellini of Italy four-wheel drive system. Andrew Patrick from another 165 multi-color, the original style wheels. Then we're into the classic era. Style the rubber ears with a fresh out the box. Massey Ferguson 185. This is just here on the circuit this year. New restoration. An absolutely stunning job is made of it. A 185 with these strong car Massey Ferguson gears. Mostly throughout the Chelsea car. Now up from 8 to the Ferguson. Massey Ferguson 290. An absolute stunning restoration of this tractor. Featured in classic tractor. Very, very excellent restoration, and a lot of people can't believe it's a restoration.